Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a clickable link on Instagram. In your Instagram profile there's two places where you can add links that are actually clickable and take you to another website. You have one here for my YouTube channel. Let me show you how it works and then I will show you how to add it. Let's press on the link. As you can see, when you press on the link, it's gonna take you outside of Instagram. You must use this, it's a website to take people to another website, or it's a specific YouTube channel like in our situation. So let me show you how you can do it for yourself. Add the link here. All you have to do is press edit profile right here on your profile page. Press the links option. I'm gonna press on YouTube, and here you can add an URL and give it a title. The title doesn't matter because it doesn't show in your profile, but I recommend using title that match with the link. And when you press done, it shows up just like this. But I recommend that add the line on top of it, which tells you where the link is gonna take you. In our case, it's the channel slogan, the right direction. There's a second way to add links, and I will show you in a second. A lot of people ask if they can add the link when they make a post. The answer is no, you can't. Create a post on Instagram and add the link in bio. But you can add the call to action, so just write in the description link in bio or something like that. That's the best you can do right now. Now let me show you the second way. Second way is when you click on your profile icon here and you go to this page, which is Instagram stories. You can go and take a picture here, and in this sticker icon you're gonna have a link option, and here you can do basically what we did earlier. You can type in a link. We're gonna give this for example, and here you can change the color, the style of the button, and people can basically tap on it and go to the website you typed in. And this is it. These are our best options currently. I hope it helped, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.